3.
Hi! Welcome back to our channel. It's been a while. And we will do a haul today. Galing kaming grocery. And i-haul namin ang aming pinamili, 283 baht. So less than 300 baht. Ipapakita namin kung ano yung aming napamili. Okay? Start na! So, ano to ba? Plain muffin. 20 baht. Next is pechay na almost 1 kilo. Yeah, exactly 1 kilo. 15 baht. You see? 15.75 baht. Tapos, tinapay, nasa 46 baht, I think. Yeah, 46 baht. Then, kamatis, na kalahating kilo, 16 baht. Help mommy, help mommy. Help mommy. Patola, na kalahating kilo, 30 baht. And then, itlog na 10 pieces, 53 baht. And lastly, manok na 1.2 kilos, 100 baht. So, meron na kaming good for tatlong ulam for just 300 baht. Less than 300 baht. That's all for our haul and for our vlog. Say bye-bye na. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, call him daddy para magtubang. Call him daddy.
Given.
Yay! See you next time. Bye!